We've all experienced trauma. Every single one of us has experienced something that has the power to to traumatize us. It could be from teasing in school, teasing in your family, through to horrific life-changing incidents or accidents. Um, but essentially, no matter where you are on the spectrum of experiencing something traumatizing, we all have experienced something traumatizing. It's molded you, it's shaped who you are, and sometimes we recover really easily and it doesn't affect us at all. Sometimes we don't recover easily, and sometimes we can't work out why. And it could be something quite simple that sticks in your brain. Like, I'm sure that if you're anything like me, which you probably are because we're human beings, there'll be things in your childhood that just stick in there and you can't quite process. It affected you in some way, it's molded the way that you are. Um, but here, based on that, here's something a little bit mind blowing. We don't just make decisions and form our behaviours based on our adverse experiences, but also on our parents' adverse experiences, both birth parents and non birth parents.